Stuck in the endless Cloudflare verify you are human loop? You're not alone. In 2025, this issue has become surprisingly common due to stricter browser security settings, outdated cookies, or misconfigured networks. The good news is that fixing it is usually quick and straightforward. In this guide, we'll walk you through the fastest and easiest solutions to break out of the verification loop and get back to browsing normally. First is go to the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and click the settings. In the settings menu, click the privacy and security. In here, click delete browsing data. And lastly, make sure that the all boxes is checked and click delete data. And that's all it takes to fix the Cloudflare verify you are human loop in 2025. With a few quick adjustments to your browser, cookies, or network settings, you can bypass the endless checks and load the website without frustration. If this guide helped you solve the problem, be sure to explore our other 2025 troubleshooting tips to keep your browsing smooth and hassle-free.